I always believe that compassion is any day better than managerial tactic, because I believe I come from that school of thought or that philosophy, and it's always worked and it's always been beneficial. In fact, there is this Stanford University neurosurgeon. This is a nice little story, and his name is Dr. Doty. And he tells that once he was performing a surgery on a little boy's brain tumor. Okay, and in the middle of the procedure, the assistant who was assisting him gets distracted, and accidentally he pierces a vein in the during the surgery. Okay, and there was blood shedding everywhere, and Dr. Doty is not able to see where is a delicate part of the brain where he was working on, and the boy's life is at stake at that point. So he's left with no other choice than to blindly do the whole procedure because it was full of blood. Luckily, he was successful, right? When any one of us is confronted in with such a situation, now what would we think? Dr. Doty would have taken a gun and fired that assistant for doing what he did because the child's life was at stake, right? If it was, how should we react when an employee is not performing well or making a mistake? True. So frustration is of course the natural response. That's what normally it happens. Um, and once we all identify with this, especially if the mistake hurts an important project or reflects badly upon us, so the traditional method is to reprimand the employee in some or the other way. The hope is that some form of punishment will be beneficial. It will teach the employee a lesson, and expressing our frustration makes us also relieve our stress and anger. So finally, it may help the rest of the team stay on the toes to make future errors. But what happens to the person who is actually reprimanded? Probably he loses a lot. So some managers, however, choose a different response. They may use compassion and curiosity. And research shows that people who have been dealt with compassion and curiosity has performed their duties much more better than being reprimanded. So how can you respond with more compassion the next time an employee makes a serious mistake? There's some few tips that you can have. And Dr. Doty has said this is something like, take a moment and look back into the entire situation. Was there, if you reprimand him, is there something that works? Or if you be compassionate to him, because everybody makes to err is human, right? So you need to take a step back, control your own emotions, and look at the person. Put yourself in the employee's shoes. Sometimes you don't know what struggles people are dealing with every single day. So being mentally tough is not there. Maybe I'm going through a really bad day back at home, and if I come to workplace and I get a bad boss, I'm really heartbroken. I would really want a boss who would be compassionate to me towards that time. And last but not the least, it's called as forgiveness. Empathy, of course, helps you to forgive. So being empathic and being able to forgive. I mean, so I feel compassion is the next big best thing to do.